How to eliminate joint and knee pain with this homemade drink. Knees, elbows, and hands are often affected by joint pain. This is often attributed to aging. In this situation, they do not seek treatment and consider it to be a normal pain. Pain, on the other hand, causes the body to experience stress. The knees can also be damaged and shifted when untreated knee pain persists. The bones and tissues in the knee can also be worn and torn due to excessive use or even by excessive bone density. Knee pain is also caused by vitamin deficiencies, especially if you are lacking calcium, vitamin D and iron. Joint inflammation and arthritis can be caused by a lack of vitamin D and calcium. Additionally, many people do not realize that this pain can be effectively treated by a natural remedy that will leave them pain-free in just a few days. On this video, we will examine how to reduce and prevent knee and joint pain. Overuse of the knee may cause knee pain, but if it persists for more than a week, someone should seek medical attention. A good diet must also contain enough minerals, vitamins and bromelain. An effective natural remedy for knee and joint pain is a smoothie made from cinnamon, pineapple, and orange juice. Among the anti-inflammatory properties of this smoothie are silicon, bromelain, vitamin C, and magnesium. Pineapples contain vitamin C, which is vital for bone health. In addition to bromelain, pineapples contain large quantities of antioxidants. Blood circulates more efficiently when cinnamon is consumed. Vitamin C is also present in orange juice, and it helps create strong ligaments and tendons. You will need the following ingredients to make the smoothie: 2 small cups of diced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, 1 glass of orange juice, 1 cinnamon stick, raw, natural honey. Steps to follow: cook the oatmeal and water together for a few minutes. Cool down the oatmeal once it's been well cooked. Orange juice, oats, cinnamon, pineapple, and honey are blended together in a blender. Depending on your preference, you may add water to thin the smoothie. This smoothie should be consumed daily for best results. The moment you drink this drink consistently for 5 days, total discomfort related to knees and joints should disappear. Feel free to try this recipe and let us know if you experienced relief in the comments section. Make sure you like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel